Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. For this video of Android Kotlin programming tutorial, you will learn about how to display radar chart data, full tutorial for Android chart tutorial series using Kotlin and Android Studio tutorial, like for this example. So let's start. If you watch the previous tutorial of this on this YouTube channel, you will understand on the few codes on this tutorial. So the libraries for this chart, the MPAndroidChart, this is the version, the gradle wrapper properties, the gradle properties, and the Android manifest. So for now, in our XML, let's change this into radar. Okay. So we use for now, let's type this radar entry. Okay. Then let's just copy this again. Paste, 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 and paste. Okay. For the radar entry, we only use the only one value. So let's just delete this. Okay. Okay. For the data set, let's just type the radar data set. That's it for the and finally the radar data set. For now, to customize the value, let's just delete this again and then delete this. Then radar chart for the setup. This is the initial fill color, then color that blue. Okay, then dataset again, then next is the color, yes, it's blue again, and then the dataset, the line width, I think for float is enough, then dataset again, then set draw highlight indicators true, and lastly dataset set draw fill, then true. For this, okay. We don't need this, and also we don't need this code. The legend is at this. There's no zoom, and then maybe we can animate this, and I will add other some customization binding the chart. Then set background color. We can customize the color of the chart. This one, binding that chart, then the web color, then color that next is yellow. Okay. Okay, then for now, okay, I forgot this. Just enter. That's it. And then let's run the app. Okay, there's an animation. Now we have a single entry of radar. Then how if we had to add multiple data entry? So let's just copy this again. Entries. Okay, then let's just copy this again. Change the value. Okay. Then let's change the back the data. Okay, to 190 25. Okay, and then let's just copy this again. That's it. I think dataset 1. Copy paste. Okay, then change the value and press chart legend 1, then chart legend 2. Okay. Let's change the dark gray and then red. Okay, red. Then red. There's no changes. Oh, bubble chart. Let's rename this again. There's no changes, and then let's run again. Okay, I forgot to add this data. Don't forget to add this to radar data. Maybe I will comment this because I don't like the animation on radar chart. Then let's run again. Okay, there's the dataset 1 radar, and then the web color. As you can see, the yellow, this is the web color, the light gray, the background color of the chart, and the dataset 1, the second color, the blue, the line width, this is it, the line width, and then the fill color, the line width. You can customize the text color of the value, as you can see or read this, to 20, 10, 3.5. The text color 150, something like this. So that's it for how to make a radar chart tutorial, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates in Android programming tutorial. Add some reviews and thank you comment for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.